Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather trim seats, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, universal garage door opener, voice-activated navigation system, audio, internet radio, Pandora, Wi-Fi, hotspot compatible. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.